Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel Calm Mind and Healthy Body. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: how to naturally support your body and improve your health. Specifically, we're talking about the power of anti-inflammatory drinks for kidney health and diabetes management. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I'm a big believer in using food as medicine. And when it comes to tackling inflammation and supporting your kidneys, certain drinks can make a world of difference. We're talking about reducing inflammation, giving your kidneys a helping hand, and even keeping those blood sugar levels nice and stable. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share 5 of my all-time favorite anti-inflammatory drinks. These aren't just your average drinks though, these are packed with nutrients, easy to make, and most importantly, they taste delicious. So, whether you're dealing with kidney issues, trying to manage diabetes, or simply want to boost your overall health, these drinks are for you. Stay tuned. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic turmeric ginger tea. Now you might already know that turmeric is having a bit of a moment in the health world, and for good reason. This bright yellow spice is jam-packed with something called curcumin, a powerful compound that's been shown to fight inflammation like a champ. But here's the thing, when we combine turmeric with ginger, we create a dynamic duo that's even more effective. Ginger brings its own anti-inflammatory benefits to the table with gingerol, another potent compound. Together, these two work synergistically, meaning they boost each other's effects. And when it comes to your kidneys and blood sugar, turmeric ginger tea really shines. Turmeric, my friends, is a natural detoxifier. It helps your kidneys filter out waste products more efficiently. And ginger? Well, ginger is known to improve circulation and aid in digestion, both of which are crucial for optimal kidney function. But wait, there's more. Both turmeric and ginger have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels. So, if you're managing diabetes, this tea is a fantastic addition to your daily routine. Now let's talk about how to make this wonder drink. It's incredibly simple. You'll need 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of grated fresh turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. Bring the water to a boil in a small pot, then add your turmeric and ginger. Let that simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing those beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. Finally, strain the tea into your favorite mug. You can add a touch of honey or lemon for taste if you like. I recommend enjoying a cup of this soothing turmeric ginger tea daily to experience its full benefits. Next up, we have a tart and tangy favorite cranberry juice. Now, I'm not talking about the sugary stuff loaded with added sugars. We're talking about unsweetened cranberry juice, a true powerhouse for your kidneys. One of the things I love most about cranberry juice is its superpower fighting urinary tract infections, or UTIs. UTIs are no joke, especially if you have diabetes, as high blood sugar can increase your risk. Cranberry juice contains special compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. This helps prevent those pesky infections from taking hold in the first place. But cranberry juice doesn't stop there. It's also packed with antioxidants which help combat inflammation throughout your body, including your kidneys. Remember, chronic inflammation can take a toll on your kidneys, so anything we can do to reduce that inflammation is a win. And for those of you managing diabetes, unsweetened cranberry juice is a great choice. Because it's naturally tart, it doesn't contain the added sugars that can spike your blood sugar levels. Just be sure to choose a brand with no sugar added and enjoy it in moderation. So how can you incorporate cranberry juice into your routine? Well, you can simply enjoy a small glass of unsweetened cranberry juice on its own. You can also add it to smoothies or even use it in salad dressings for a tangy twist. Let's talk about green smoothies. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Green smoothies? Are you sure those are tasty? And trust me, I get it. But let me tell you, when made right, green smoothies can be absolutely delicious and incredibly good for you, especially when it comes to supporting your kidneys and managing blood sugar. So, what makes green smoothies so special? Well, it's all about the ingredients. We're talking leafy greens like spinach and kale, powerhouse vegetables like cucumber, and a whole lot of other good stuff. Spinach and kale are nutritional superstars. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help fight inflammation. Plus, they're incredibly hydrating, which is essential for keeping those kidneys functioning properly. Cucumber is another fantastic addition to your green smoothie. Not only is it super refreshing, but it's also a natural diuretic, meaning it helps flush out excess fluids and toxins from your body, giving your kidneys a little extra support. But here's the real kicker when it comes to diabetes management. Green smoothies are packed with fiber. And fiber, my friends, is a game changer for blood sugar control. It helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes. Now, the beauty of green smoothies is that they're incredibly versatile. You can customize them to your liking. Add some avocado for healthy fats, chia seeds for an extra fiber boost, or even a scoop of your favorite protein powder to make it a complete meal replacement. So, don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different flavor combinations. Let's talk about a vibrant and often overlooked powerhouse beetroot juice. This ruby red drink is a true gem when it comes to supporting your kidneys and managing blood sugar. One of the most impressive benefits of beetroot juice lies in its ability to naturally lower blood pressure. Beets are rich in nitrates, compounds that our bodies convert into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it helps relax and widen blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. This, in turn, can help lower blood pressure, which is incredibly important for overall health, especially for those with diabetes or kidney issues. But beetroot juice doesn't stop there. It also boasts powerful detoxifying properties that can give your kidneys a helping hand. Beets are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Now I know what you might be thinking. Beetroot juice? That doesn't sound too appetizing. And I hear you. Beetroot juice has a distinct earthy flavor that can take some getting used to. But trust me, there are ways to make it more palatable. You can start by mixing beetroot juice with other juices you enjoy like apple, carrot, or even a squeeze of orange. This helps balance out the earthiness and creates a more refreshing flavor. Another great option is to add beetroot powder to your smoothies or yogurt. This is a sneaky way to get all the benefits of beetroot juice without having to taste it as much. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Beetroot juice is a fantastic addition to any healthy diet, and your kidneys will thank you for it. Let's talk about a simple yet incredibly effective drink: lemon water. Now you might be thinking, lemon water, that's it? But don't underestimate the power of this humble drink. It's incredibly hydrating, refreshing, and packed with benefits for your kidneys and blood sugar. One of the key ways lemon water supports your kidneys is through its detoxifying properties. Lemons are a natural diuretic, meaning they help flush out excess fluids and toxins from your body. This gives your kidneys a break and allows them to work more efficiently. But that's not all. Lemons are also a fantastic source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your kidneys from damage caused by harmful free radicals. And when it comes to blood sugar control, lemon water can also lend a helping hand. The citric acid in lemons has been shown to help slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Now, incorporating lemon water into your routine is as easy as it gets. Simply start your day with a glass of warm lemon water first thing in the morning. This helps kickstart your metabolism, rehydrates your body, and flushes out toxins. You can also sip on lemon water throughout the day by adding a few slices of lemon to your water bottle. If you want to get fancy, you can add other ingredients like cucumber slices, mint leaves, or even a few slices of ginger for an extra flavor and health boost. So, don't underestimate the power of simple changes. Making lemon water a regular part of your routine can make a world of difference for your kidneys, blood sugar, and overall health. So there you have it. 5 incredible anti-inflammatory drinks that can make a real difference in your journey towards better kidney health and diabetes management. We've covered a lot today, from the spice-infused goodness of turmeric ginger tea to the simple elegance of lemon water. Remember, each of these drinks brings its own unique set of benefits to the table. Turmeric ginger tea packs a powerful anti-inflammatory punch, while cranberry juice helps ward off UTIs and supports overall kidney function. Green smoothies are a fiber-rich delight that can help regulate blood sugar levels, while beetroot juice boosts circulation and aids in detoxification. And last but not least, lemon water is a refreshing and easy way to support your kidneys and balance your blood sugar. I encourage you to experiment with these drinks, find what you enjoy, and make them a regular part of your routine. Small changes can lead to significant results over time. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of natural health solutions. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.